In this video, we're diving into how to fully set up your email marketing using Brevo. From creating your first campaign to building out templates and organizing your segments the smart way. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter SaaS systems that actually work. So now that you know what we're about to cover, let's dive into why Brevo stands out as a powerful choice for your email marketing needs. Now, why Brevo? So Brevo used to be Send and Blue. Now, you might have heard of it. It's a solid option if you're looking for an affordable email marketing tool that also gives you access to SMS, chat, automations, and CRM features all in one place. But today we're keeping it focused on email marketing, specifically how to use the tools inside Brevo to build emails, send campaigns, and keep your audience organized. If you're switching from another platform or you're just getting started, the biggest benefit of Brevo is its simplicity. It doesn't overload you with options, but it still gives you what you need to run clean, effective campaigns. So let's walk through exactly how to set things up. Now, before we do that, if you want to get started with Brevo and you want to save a little bit of money, I mean, let's be real, who doesn't? Then go ahead and click the link down below in the description to bring you to this page right here, where you can go ahead and get a 50% discount thanks to the SaaS report. All you need to do is go ahead and enter SaaS report, and you're gonna get 50% off the first 3 months. So click the link down in the description, click claim my discount, and use code SaaS report at checkout. Once you create your Brevo account and log into the dashboard, you'll notice a pretty clean setup. Now, before you do anything, you'll want to verify your sending domain. Brevo lets you send from free email addresses like Gmail, but if you want to enter your emails to actually land in inboxes and not spam, then using a custom domain is the way to go. So to do that, we'll come up here to My Company and click on Senders, Domains, and More. So from here, this is where you can go ahead and add your domain, dedicated IPs, and senders. Setting up your contact lists and segments. In Brevo, contacts are grouped in what they call lists. But honestly, lists are more like a catch-all for your subscribers. The real power comes from segments. Think of a list as a big bucket of contacts, and segments as smart filters that let you target the right people inside that bucket. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna come over here to contacts on the left-hand side, and we'll go ahead and from here, we can click on import contacts. Now from here, we can do contacts, companies, deals, or notes. For this, we'll go ahead and do contacts and click continue. We'll go ahead and click import from a file, and we'll go ahead and drag our file of emails. Now from here, this is where we'll go ahead and map our properties after we click on confirm email. So from here, we'll go name, and we'll go ahead and just select a first name. For email, we'll select email, and for tag, we'll go ahead and click on create a new attribute. And maybe we'll select category, and we'll go ahead and click create. We'll set value, and we'll go ahead and click on add item. And we'll go ahead and click on confirm mapping, and we'll go ahead and click on confirm list. Please select the list. So we'll go ahead and click here and click confirm and click import. And now we'll go ahead and import all of our emails. Building and sending a campaign. Now let's actually create a campaign. Now, one thing to keep in mind, keep your emails mobile friendly. A lot of your subscribers will be opening these on their phones, so keep it tight, make buttons big enough to tap, and test the layout before you send. After the content is sent, review your subject line, preview text, and run a quick inbox test. Then just choose when to send, either immediately or schedule it for later. If you're doing a launch, you might want to stagger different segments at different times, and Brevo lets you do that too. So to go ahead and send campaigns, we'll come over here to the campaigns section to go ahead and get started. And here you can choose either email, SMS, WhatsApp, or web push. We'll go ahead and select email, and here we'll go ahead and give this campaign a name. We'll call this Summer 2025 Campaign. And we'll go ahead and click Create Campaign. Then from here, we can go ahead and manage our sender info. To do that, we'll click on Manage Sender. We can change the email address and the name and click Save. Then we'll go ahead and choose our recipients. So again, you can select from lists, segments, or individual contacts. We'll go ahead and just select all of our lists here, and we'll go ahead and click Save. We'll go to our subject line. We'll go ahead and add a subject line here. Call it Get It While It's Hot. And then preview text, you're not gonna wanna miss this. And we'll go ahead and click Save. Now, one thing I do love about Brevo is it gives you this little preview here of what it looks like on mobile, so you can make sure that you have the right length of text. You wouldn't want this text spilling all the way over. Again, this is what's gonna get people to click on that email. So go ahead and click Save. We'll go ahead to design and start designing. And again, here, there's a lot of different templates we can choose from. For most of you, I think honestly, a simple template like this, simple template is going to be your best bet. So in here, this is the drag and drop editor where we have tons of different stuff that we can add. We could add a video in here if we wanted to. We could go ahead and add a logo, social icons, stuff like that. But again, keeping it relatively simple is probably going to be your best bet. Then we'll go ahead and click Save and Quit. And there's additional settings we can go ahead and click on here. And here we have some personalization, some sending and tracking, some subscription and design settings that you can go ahead and make changes to. And we'll go ahead and click Save. And then we can go ahead and schedule this. Create creating email templates. So templates are a huge time saver. Once you've built a layout that you like, you can save it as a template. So to do that, we'll come over here on the left-hand side, and under campaigns, we'll go ahead and select templates. So here we can go ahead and create a template and choose an email template. So we can go ahead and give this template a name. We'll call this daily email template, subject line, today, ... preview text. We'll go ahead and leave that. Now what's cool is you can add personalization to both of these. So you could go ahead and add your sender's name right in there, which is pretty cool. You can choose your from email and your from name, and then click next step. From here, you can go ahead and start with a template. So there's different layouts. Again, maybe you want to add a little bit more. We'll come here to this one. This is a register for event template. Again, you can start with it and then tweak it as you'd like. So you could come in here, click on this, and set up your brand. So then your logo will always be wherever this logo thing is, and just edit this however you want. And once it's starting to look good, you can click on save and quit. And here you can go ahead and preview it, make sure it looks good on mobile. If you need to edit the content, you can do so right here. And then lastly, just click on save and activate. So now we have our daily email template. So if we come back here to templates, we'll go ahead and see that daily email template that we can go ahead and reuse whenever we want to. A quick note on compliance. Now, before you hit send on your first campaign, you want to make sure that you're set up to follow email laws like GDPR and CAN spam. Brevo helps with this automatically by including an unsubscribe link in all emails, but you should also include your business name and mailing address in the footer. If someone subscribes, Brevo will handle that automatically. No need to remove them manually. But it's smart to occasionally check your bounce list and clean up bad or outdated emails so that your sender reputation stays healthy. Bonus tip, A/B testing campaigns. Now, Brevo also offers A/B testing or split testing, where you can test different versions of your email to see what works better. You can test things like subject lines, sender names, email content, button placement, or CTA wording. To do this, just create a new campaign and select the A/B test at the start. You'll choose what you want to test, how long to wait before declaring a winner, and what percentage of your list gets each version. It's a great way to gradually improve your open and click rates without guessing. So what you can do from here. Now, here's the big picture. With Brevo, you can upload your audience and organize it with segments, build and send professional looking campaigns, save templates to speed up future emails, stay compliant with email laws, test what works, and improve over time. It's not just about sending newsletters. With smart use of segments and templates, you can build a full email marketing machine that grows with your business, whether you're selling digital products, coaching, or SaaS. Now, if you're just starting out, don't stress about getting everything perfect. Just pick one email to send, maybe a welcome series or a launch announcement, and go from there. Brevo makes it super easy to adjust as you go. Now, if you want to get started with Brevo, again, we'll have that link for you down in the description below, where you can get 50% off your first 3 months by using the link and using code SaaSReport at checkout. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting your productivity. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.